Hey guys, I'm back with the second video. Let's play a war mode. It's a very good match. Um, no, automatic. Um, so I'm ready. Let's check if my friends are there or not. No one. Clan. Yeah, let's invite him. Come, bro. Go to hell. So guys, this is my second video and I think it will be better than the first video because an improvement has been given. Let's collect the candies.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Make sure you like this video and subscribe. And if you do like this video, please share it if something helps someone. Let's jump in. Let's go to the end. Let's see the map. We will jump this building if we can try. We could. Good. Woo! We'll get car 98. There is a good place here. And if you jump from here, you'll reach there and jump here, you'll come here. So this is a good place. Let's check 4x. Okay. Anyone?
খেলতে পারবো
Someone is shooting from the side. Let's cook it. Yeah. Got someone. Oof. Let's kill this person and leave the phone. I'll beat this guy with my hands or fist. I'm a daring person. Oof. Let's beat this guy with my hands. No. It will be a risk. You. So I promised someone that I will do one kill and leave the phone. So I did and looted it. Wait. And it. Ooh. So I was being killed. So bye. Let the guy kill me and I will leave this game. No props. Lobby. Okay. So bye bye. It was a disruption by someone. So I cannot do anything. So okay, we'll take you to the next video.